Welcome back to Bike Future, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory, a bike that promises to take the naked sport bike category to new heights. Let's explore what makes this machine stand out in the competitive world of high-performance motorcycles. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory carries forward the aggressive and muscular design that has defined the Tuono lineup for years. With sharp, aerodynamic lines and a bold front end, the Tuono V4 Factory exudes confidence. The new version introduces a more refined look, including updated LED headlights and a sleeker tail section, enhancing its already striking presence. The iconic V4 logo on the fuel tank adds to the premium feel, making it clear that this is a bike built for the enthusiast. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Tuono V4 Factory lies the same powerful 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine that Aprilia has perfected over the years. With an impressive 175 horsepower, this engine delivers blistering acceleration and top-end performance. The engine's torque delivery is smooth, yet potent, making it perfect for both street and track use. The V4 Factory features advanced electronics, including multiple ride modes, traction control, and a quickshifter, ensuring that every ride is both thrilling and manageable. Chassis and suspension. The 2025 Tuono V4 Factory is equipped with top-tier suspension components. The bike boasts a fully adjustable Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 system that provides exceptional ride quality. Whether you're carving through tight corners or blasting down the highway, the Tuono's suspension allows for unparalleled stability and control. The lightweight aluminum frame adds to the bike's agility, making it as nimble as it is powerful. Technology and features. The Tuono V4 Factory doesn't just rely on its raw power, it's loaded with cutting-edge technology. The 2025 model features a 5-inch TFT display, providing all the information you need at a glance. Connectivity options, including Bluetooth integration and mobile app compatibility, let riders personalize their experience. Additionally, the advanced ABS and cornering optimized traction control further enhance rider confidence. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory continues the brand's tradition of blending style, power, and cutting-edge technology. With its refined design, powerhouse engine, and advanced electronics, this motorcycle is poised to dominate both the streets and the track. If you're in the market for a high-performance naked bike, the Tuono V4 Factory should undoubtedly be on your radar. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Bike Future for more updates on the latest in motorcycle innovation.